Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to delete apps on the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and trust me, the process is quite simple. Now there are basically two ways you can go about doing this, but first things first, you have to locate the particular application you want to delete from your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. In my case, it is the Google Chrome browser over here. And the first method to delete this particular application from your device is to just long press on the particular application you want to delete, and then from the top you're going to see the option to remove application. Go ahead and tap on that, and now we have two options to choose from. First, there is the option to remove from home screen, which particularly removes this application from the home screen but still keeps it in the library. So if you click on this, it will remove it from the home screen of your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max. But then if you come over to your app library, you can still see the application, which you can now add back to your home screen anytime you want by selecting on the add to home screen option. So to completely delete this particular application, you can long press on it and then click on the remove app option. Now instead of remove from home screen, you want to select on the delete application and then click on delete, and automatically the Google Chrome browser or any application you want to delete will be completely deleted from your iPhone 17 Pro or your iPhone 17 Pro Max. The second method to completely delete an application from your iPhone 17 Pro or 17 Pro Max is to put your iPhone 17 on edit mode, where all of the application starts to shake. So you just have to long press on any part of the screen and it will start to shake. Now what you just want to do is to tap on this minus button at the top of the application which you want to delete, and now you have the option to either remove it from the home screen as I have explained before, or completely delete the application. And to delete it, you just want to select on this option and again click on delete. This particular application will be completely deleted both from your home screen and from the app library of your iPhone 17 Pro or your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Please let me know if this video was helpful, guys.